What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game the Crew Motorfest on your PC. So what we need to do is open a Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Now once you have done that, we can locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and quickly search up the game the Crew Motorfest. Search for the game, select it. Then scroll a little bit down and there is a free demo available, but we would like to download this full game. And as you can see, this game is quite expensive on Steam. It is €69.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround for that. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search up the same game, the Crew Motorfest, and search for it. Select the games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. And once you have done that, we need to search for a PC version. So scroll a little bit down till you will find a PC version. And the next thing, which is very important, that this text needs to be marked green so the game can be activated in your country. Now once you have clicked on it, then you will open the game page, and as you can see, we can already purchase this game for just €21.25 compared to the price on Steam of €69.99. So this will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is purchase the game through this website, and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for the game maker's website, the Ubisoft Connect platform, to download this game completely legit on your PC. Once you have done this, you are able to play the game the Crew Motorfest on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!